I don't normally do these, but I just wanted to take a little video so you guys can check this out. Will had graciously sent me some more RAM and a ROM sim. Ignore that junk over there. Yeah, this is the reloaded SE30 board. I'm just in awe at this thing. I cannot believe that Will basically did the work of a machine and soldered each and every one of these chips. Some of these are socketed, it doesn't matter. But it's like everything on here he installed by hand. This is pretty much, I recognize pretty much all of these parts. There's a few new things from my old board, but just the sheer amount of work. This is just crazy. I could not even fathom anyone having the skill to do this. And the patience. This is incredible. Will, you're like a freaking genius, dude. I'm gonna, like, he even did the back stuff too. Like these really tiny things, I believe. But basically tonight I'm gonna get this into this. This is my SE30. It's just hollowed out right now. Just the chassis and the monitor. I've got some bananas I really need to eat. But yeah, we're gonna do that tonight, and I'm gonna film a video of it booting up afterwards. Yeah, really happy about this. This computer's been out of commission for like 14 years due to a PRAM battery bomb, which will no longer be an issue, but very happy to see that this thing is going to be up and running again. All right, the moment of truth. Hey, that's a good sign. Let's see what we got. Got the cursor. It's really good. Look at that. Heck yeah. And it's up. Let's try speedometer. Sorry, it's kind of hard doing this with the mouse. Let's see what happens. Very, very, very good. Nice. Very good. Oh, wow, look at that. Hell yeah. So, let's see. So this is the, oh wait. Okay, so this is the SE30. So 4.36 for the SE30 and 4.2 on the SE. And this SE had an accelerator. This is the SE30. I have an SE down here. But that's really cool. That's incredible. These math scores are a little whack. Don't worry about those, but I mean, they're pretty close. These two, because this had an accelerator in it. And this is just a stock SE30. And like, it's just, it's so responsive. I need to put my whole, I could put 8 gigs in. I mean, 8 megs, not 8 gigabytes. I've got 8 megs I can put in here. No, that's really good. Will, you did an awesome job. Works great. Benchmarks did fine. Sorry. One more test. Let's see. My wife is playing Skyrim in the background. HyperCard is a lot smoother. I'm not gonna play the whole thing. I'm just gonna to test it out. Yeah, that's really good. Really nice.